Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And I made a stopwatch video and I showed you how you can make a stopwatch. And this is I tried to replicate the code and everything. This is the closest I could actually get to it, but it doesn't matter. So you hit start and then it starts, and then we actually wanted a zero back here, and these all this we're not going to deal with. We're only going to be dealing with the zero here. So um, down here, if you see seconds label.x is equal to seconds, minutes label, and the hours label, we did all of this work. So what you can do instead is um, here we can say if this is lesser than 9, then you want to say 0 and then the minutes. And this bit of code will work only if you've used exactly the same code as I did in that video. Then this will work, and of course we do this for seconds as well. So we just make that lesser than 9. So if seconds is lesser than 9, it basically means the single digit number. Less than, it should be actually less than 10 for it to be a single digit number. My bad. Then we can say 0. Oh my god, what's wrong? Seconds, and else we will just leave it as seconds. So if your code is probably different from this, then you don't need to do this. You can follow my other tutorial. It's a more general method of how you can do it. But if you are using the same code as I have, then this is the more simple route to this. Now the other catch is when we actually lap. So you'll notice that we're actually just accessing the hour, which is an integer. Instead, the quick fix to this is just do this instead. And you want to force unwrap because else it'll say optional and then it'll bother you. Maybe if you're doing some big app, you might want to check. But you know what? In most cases, it really doesn't matter. So that should basically be the small change you have to make in order for it to actually show a 0 before the thing. So let me hit start, and yeah, so you can see it just shows 0. So let me quickly explain the change we made. I honestly haven't changed anything else in the code. The extension, all those functions are the same. I only added this 0 so that it shows 0 before that, and also when minutes is 0, it will remain 0 over here. So yeah, that's going to wrap it up for today. I hope that solved your problem. Yeah, so see you in the next one. Bye.